Black Swordsman and main character of the Berserk manga series is driven by an unrelenting desire for revenge. Now you can bring him to life with 3D printing.
He's more than just super powerful! What's going on? A little while ago, he couldn't even stand up straight!
Every detail of this 3D model has been meticulously crafted to capture Guts' battle-worn appearance, including his signature scars and fierce expression. The iconic Berserker armor is masterfully recreated with intricate details. The Berserker armor and cloak are harmoniously adorned with throwing knives and layered shoulder pads for an authentic look. Bringing Guts' 3D model to perfection took the Gambody team a total of 68 hours.